Welcome back, YouTube family. More importantly, my Abrookin Barbering 1 family. How you guys doing? It's Mr. Wafer back with another video for you. I hope you guys are staying safe. So this week's assignment for you is, in the video before, you saw a brief description, in the video before you saw a brief video of stuff on the table, tools and equipment that we went over. I'm going to pick them up, display them real quick. I want you guys in order to tell me what they are, what they do, how they operate. Okay, in order. So you got to watch the entire video so you can see what order I placed them. Those of you that have done the assignments so far, congrats, good job, keep it up. Those of you who've not, I want you to catch up, get all your stuff done, get all your work done so we can get through this as smoothly as possible so you guys can get all the credit and pass this class. I know you can, and move on. Okay, so without further ado, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to take and grab the first piece of equipment. This here. Okay, first one, second one, okay, this is something I customize. Barbers will know what this is, but you don't have to tell me how I did it, but I want you to tell me what it is and what it does, okay? We've got two of these, right hand, left hand. If you look close, you can see they're a little different. I wonder why that is, what they do, what their purpose is, okay? This here, these are all the tools you need to do a haircut. The basics. There's some other things you can use, but if you have all these and you use them, you'll be able to give anybody a decent haircut, okay? So remember, I want you to tell me what they are, what they do, and the order that I showed them to you. We're almost to the bonus round here, so you gotta watch the end of the video, okay? So, for the bonus round, I need you guys to tell me, sorry about getting so close, if you can, what this next item is. It's advanced, barbers will know it, some of you may know it, but if you do, you get extra credit. If you don't, that's okay. Kind of heavy. Got different textures. Hear that? Hear that side? So if you can tell me what this is, extra credit for you. If not, no problem. All right? So, again, class, I love you. I want you guys to stay safe. I want you to finish your work in Barbering 1. I also want you to finish your work in all your other classes. And oh yeah, one other thing. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like it. Subscribe to it. Comment. Tell somebody else about it. In the comment section, tell me what you did like, what you didn't like, what you would like to see me do next, what you would like a little bit more information on. So again, be safe. I hope to see you soon. Enjoy yourselves. Be kind. I love you. And hopefully we'll be back to school sooner rather than later. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to show you some other things. It's my bad. I told you, we're all learning. I'll show you in a minute. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I apologize. I forgot some other stuff that was on the table that you probably saw that I didn't review. So, we've got these wonderful little things here. Right? I hold them like this. It's got magnets on the back, so that's how they're staying together. But what are these? I apologize, I didn't do these the first time around, but you saw them in the beginning of the video. So again, what I showed you in order, the bonus question, and what they are, what they do. Again, be safe, wash your hands, keep your social distancing, don't go out and do things you don't need to be doing. And I hope to see you soon. Stay healthy. We'll see you on the next video.